Troubleshooting an LG dishwasher that is not draining. Draining problems with an LG dishwasher are most often the result of food clogs or installation issues. Both of these causes can usually be resolved without a technician by using a few troubleshooting steps. Also, if you see an OE code on the dishwasher's display, that code is alerting to a drainage problem. Let's fix it. Check the dishwasher tub for food residue and other debris. Remove the larger bits that may not wash out. Cleaning the filter is essential in keeping the dishwasher performing at its best. For the best wash performance, clean the filter after each load. Note that if food debris remains in the filter, it may cause an odor. In areas with hard water, clean the filter at least once a month with a soft brush. To clean the filter, start by removing the lower rack. The filter is located below the long spray arms under the rack. We'll give you general instructions now, but you can refer to your product owner's manual for model-specific information. If your unit has 4 spray arms, after removing the lower rack, position the bottom spray arm so a wider V is open to the front. Turn the mesh filter counterclockwise and take out the assembled inner filter and stainless steel filter, being careful of sharp edges when handling. Then clean the filters with a soft brush under running water. Reassemble the filters before replacing them. Then fit the assembled filters back into the filter holder and secure them by turning the inner filter clockwise until it clicks into place. The dishwasher will not drain properly if the drain hose is kinked. Inspect and adjust the drain hose to avoid kinks. Now look under the sink for a rigid or corrugated hose. It will either be white, opaque, or gray. Check if anything has gotten pushed against it or on top of it, causing the hose to become pinched or kinked. Straighten the hose and run a test cycle. Check the drain air gap or in-sink disposal for debris and clogs. To do this, make sure the unit is turned off. Remove the air gap cover and plastic cup underneath it. Looking down into the air gap, clean out any debris with a toothpick or brush. Use a turkey baster to pour hot water into the air gap to clean it. Then replace the plastic cap and the air gap cover. If this is a new dishwasher installation, check if the drain hose is kinked too high or too long. If so, it should be corrected by the installer. The drain hose should not exceed 12 feet in length. Do not add any type of extension. The height of the drain hose end must be at least 12 inches and within 40 inches from the base of the appliance to avoid water being siphoned from the tub. To perform a drain only, check the control panel for the cancel and drain option. This is activated by pressing and holding 2 buttons simultaneously, such as delicate and dual control. The 2 buttons may vary depending on your model. If your model does not have a cancel and drain option, let it run for 45 seconds, then power the unit off. The first 45 seconds of any cycle are drain only. If the garbage disposal is new, or it is the first time a dishwasher has been connected, the opening for the dishwasher's drain hose may still be plugged. The knockout plug is to be removed by either an installer or plumber. Remove the knockout plug with a hammer and screwdriver. Attach the drain hose to the disposal with the hose clamp provided. Move it into position and tighten the hose clamp. If you have tried all of these options and you see the OE display code, the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. If the OE code does not display, you need to clean the unit completely. To do this, clean the filter, if applicable, then remove and clean the spray arms. Afterward, run an empty cycle with a cup of vinegar or a dishwasher cleaner. For detailed instructions, please refer to our dishwasher maintenance article at lg.com/us/support. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.